doing with her crazy self? Mm-hmm.
Put some hot sauce on my taco, baby.
I knew she was crazy when Fred passed away. I was like, this girl is Looney Tune. You doing too much. She would put crazy shit online, and I was like, good lord. Yeah.
I remember.
People ain't shit. Family ain't shit. I was like, oh wow.
Delicioso.
Mm-hmm. Right. Shit. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's what we did with our tea. At least she got to keep his ashes. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's more sentimental than putting your family member in the ground. Yeah.
Big
Well.
ass burrito.
Hmm.
Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. Got sour cream, but without any milk or anything. It's pretty bomb. We got beans. Can y'all see me out there? Alright, we got beans, lettuce, tomato, olives, olives, and that meatless meat. It's bomb. It's very, very, very good. About to watch a movie, but since she on the phone, blah 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 blah. Now I'm playing. Just gonna wait and grub up. I'm ready to nap. For everybody that say I can't eat, that's what y'all thought. I'm just picky. Gotta make what I like. I think I put too many beans. Too much beans. Too many beans. Hot sauce. I'm using that Texas Pete's. I got hooked on that from Chick-fil-A. That stuff on Chick-fil-A stuff is bomb. I've been missing Chick-fil-A though. I get the fries. I'm so quiet, Sean? It's just so good. Most of the ingredients we got from Trader Joe's, like the lettuce and the sauces, the sour cream. Everything else was from Smith's. Man, I ain't gonna be no good after this. Man, y'all got any plans today? Babe, can you bring me a paper towel? Why she come back with no paper towel? I know y'all heard me, but she on the phone now. Trump never had COVID, man. She's talking about Trump having COVID, and then he like, yeah, I got this injection, and now I'm great. That's just all to sell that shit. Where his wife at? We ain't seen her. I figure it's like 2 or 3 clones of Donald Trump too. I figure he cloned himself a long time ago. Hey, if I got something on my face, man, I ask for a napkin. Babe! 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 Can I get a napkin, please?
Okay. sure don't. I ain't game for it. I ain't sticking in my kids for shit. But just when y'all said that word for Trump, you don't know what y'all really gave me. Y'all could have made that word up and said that's what y'all gave me.
They cloned that fool. He died.
Right, exactly.
That fool died from COVID, man. They cloned his ass.
Everybody, like the other day, I was watching the presidential debate, and he was saying,
Hmm.
Biden said something about how he got better something. He was like, well, people just have to go out and put their faith in it and just try it, because look at me, I feel fine, and this, that, and the third. I'm like, I don't believe that. I don't believe that. That's just you still trying to keep people alive and bullshit for people to go out and probably say whatever you say to, and they gonna start dying quicker than what they was dying before we even got that. Ain't fucking with that.
Alright. Take a little small break. Do the shake. And we back at it. I should put sour cream on this taco. This one dry. I forgot to put salsa and sour cream on it. I didn't put no olives on my taco. What was I doing? I'm gonna come back to that one, man.
And they just got random people that just graduated from
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
I fuck with y'all. And that's what they do. Hard and long and crazy hours. Faces be breaking out, looking crazy.
Alright, y'all. We coming to a close, man. I'm starting to get full.
And
Maybe
these
some
are
juice.
been playing
Or some water.
That's why it's so awful.
Something.
I was saying something the other day on Biden behalf.
That's why I don't like to drink while I eat, so I can eat more.
Step-by-step plan on what to do when COVID hit. Trump chose not to follow. And I
Mm-hmm.
because he was telling everybody at first,
Mm-hmm.
it's not real, it's a hoax, there's nothing to be scared of.
I wonder how long this video been going.
Literally dropping like flies. New York was crazy watching that shit on TV. All these people in these goddamn big ass 18-wheelers getting wheeled off, and girl, I was like, no.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna go get some drink.
What you want?
Apple juice.
See?
Man, that was good. But yeah, burrito, taco, and no animals were harmed to make any of that stuff. And it's still delicious.
gotta go put $10 on my card to pay the rental. Right here at the ATM, baby.
What rental?
The rental we got.
I'll roll with you, boo. Alright, y'all. I see y'all. TNNA 24/8. Peace.